Ako na po yung makabawas niyo. Wow! So, hi guys. May surprise tayo para sa kanya. So, dumating ngayon. Ito na guys. So, ayan guys. Ito na guys, yung shoes natin para kay daddy. Bibigay natin to sa kanya mamaya. But before that, pupunta kami ngayon sa work ni daddy. Ilalagay muna natin to dito. Yung shoes ni daddy is, matagal na rin yung guys, hindi napalitan. So ngayon, may bagong shoes na si daddy. So ayan guys, kakauwi lang namin galing sa work ni daddy. And gubot yung buhok. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung sapatos niya. Ito yung sapatos ni daddy. Isang tuig na pala to at saka 8 months. Ayan o. Nasira na. So, diba? Pero okay pa naman siya guys. Ayan o. Pero syempre, may surprise tayo dahil deserve ni daddy lahat ng blessings. My love! No. I have surprise!
Really?
Yes. Ako na po yung makabawas ng morong.
Okay.
What is this?
I think music.
Hide it outside, my love. So, hide it, my love. It's a foot, no? Foot. How you know?
I see only down.
Hide it. Surprise! Open, open. Open.
Go there.
Hide it.
Sorry.
Together. You know what is that?
Here.
Because I know your shoes is already damaged and I bought.
Please, I don't want to keep.
Hi. Measure, my love.
The measure.
It's okay, the measure?
It's okay, the measure.
It's okay? Hi.
Thank you. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Naghimasa si daddy kay bago daw yung shoes niya. Baka mahugawan daw guys. Excited, my love?
No.
You wear that tomorrow na?
Of course.
Magkaan siya.
Wow.
Punta tayo doon.
Wow.
Wow, so nice. And you like my surprise?
Yes, very much. Thank you. Oh.
Thank you guys for watching.